The rise of the machines marks a new era of human potential. The future is here, and it's more incredible than we ever imagined. Artificial intelligence is rapidly changing our world, transforming industries and reshaping our daily lives. It's like something out of science fiction, but it's real and happening right now. AI has the potential to enhance our abilities in ways we never thought possible, pushing the boundaries of human capability. Imagine a world where we are stronger, smarter, and more capable than ever before thanks to the power of AI. That's the promise of AI augmentation, a future where technology and humanity work hand in hand. For centuries, humans have dreamed of transcending our limitations, of reaching heights previously thought unattainable. We've told stories of mythical beings with superhuman strength and godlike intelligence, inspiring generations. Now, with AI, these dreams are within reach, turning our wildest imaginations into reality. We are on the cusp of a new era, one where technology merges with biology to unlock our true potential, enhancing every aspect of our lives. But with great power comes great responsibility. We must navigate this new frontier with care. As we venture into this uncharted territory, we must proceed with caution, ensuring we make ethical choices. It's crucial to ensure that AI augmentation is used ethically and responsibly for the benefit of all humankind, safeguarding our future. The future is in our hands, and it's up to us to shape it wisely. Let's use AI wisely to create a brighter tomorrow, a future filled with endless possibilities and hope.
Imagine a world where physical limitations are a thing of the past, where human potential is amplified by cutting-edge technology. With AI-powered exoskeletons, this vision is becoming a reality, transforming the way we interact with our environment. These wearable robotic suits can enhance our strength and endurance,